All right, look, making money online is not hard. You don't need a coaching program, you don't need a course, or you don't need somebody to show you how to make money online, right? Everybody knows to make money online, you need to sell a product or service. A transaction has to happen, right? So the how you make money online is easy. You sell a product or service. Now the hard part is what product or service do you sell, right? And that's why you have people that started these digital marketing businesses paid for those stupid courses that showed them how to set everything up. Well, now they don't have anything to sell. So now they give up and they quit digital marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, the products are easy to get, but whenever you link like TikTok Shop, you link a product like, say, this, right? You link a product to your video, somebody goes through your link and they purchase that, you get a couple of bucks. That sucks because then you have to sell so many of those things to make actual any money at it. So um, having those small little products like that are too difficult to actually make a full-time income with because there's no way to sell enough of them. So what I do with digital marketing, it doesn't have anything to do with actual physical, packing and shipping products or anything like that. What I do is I share a link. That's my link, grabthislink.com. So when people go there, you click on that link, you're actually going to go to a website of an actual company, an actual legitimate financial company, right? Now, you're not going to pay me. You're going to sign up to a membership for my econ, which is the financial company that has the digital financial products that we actually market, like the travel club membership, the ID Defender, credit repair system, and some of the other products that they offer. You can see those videos on my channel here. Once you sign up for a membership through them, that's where I come in, right? Because they're going to tell me that you signed up through my link, and I'm going to give you the actual front end marketing system that I use. I'm going to give you the capture pages. I'm going to do all of the email sequencing and all of the email auto responding for you. You don't have to set any of that up. I'm going to do all of the training. You don't have to train anybody. You don't have to, all you have to do is this. You get that link out there. That's how you make money. You get that link out there and you put that link in front of as many people as you possibly can. And I give you everything you need to do that absolutely free. As a member of my econ, you get, if you sign up through me as a member of my econ, you get this front end marketing system. And I've shown you that on my channel here. I'm going to link a playlist that'll actually show you how to make money online with this system. It shows you step by step everything you have to do. But I'm not going to charge for that. It's absolutely 100% free. This is my YouTube playlist. Click on this and watch for free, 100% for free, the steps that I use and what you're going to get access to, what you actually have, the over 1,000 pieces of content, all of the email auto responding, all of the funnels, all of the capture pages, all of that stuff that's going to be given to you once you're a member of my econ. This is how you use it. This is how you actually use it effectively to make money. Check this out. And if you got value from this, you're interested in learning more, consider hitting that subscribe button for me. Really appreciate it. You got questions, you can text. That's my phone number right up here. You can text me any questions that you got.